Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. Alright guys, I'm here on behalf of SMS Phone Leads. Had to come back. They did a quick update for SMS Phone Leads. It's called SMS Phone Leads 2.0, so 2.0. And I just want to show you real quick what the new page looks like, okay? So, before I go there, obviously you're here because you landed on my page because you're looking for a way to make some money online, and that's how you came to my page, okay? Because I am a full-time internet marketer, and I'm going to show you different ways that you can make money online. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? So real quick, let me take you over to the new SMS Phone Leads page. All right, check this out. Alright, here is the new SMS Phone Leads 2.0 page, home of the $20 funnel. Okay, pretty cool. Logged in today and I saw this. I'm like, yes, I know the owner had said he was going to update it, and yes, he did. I like this because it has a video right here. 8 minutes, check it out. It gives you a quick synopsis of how this little system works. Right here, as you can see, it's instant 20 bucks. I've been talking about this funnel for some months now, guys, and I love the funnel. And I see that the owner has taken one of my testimonials right here that I sent him, so that's pretty cool. There's some testimonies here. There's one from Robin, Wayne, Rick, Bruce, okay? So everybody loves this little system if you utilize it the correct way, and we show you how to do that. So this is the new SMS funnel page. Just want to just thumb through it real quick with you. As you can see, I like the video he's added. And this right here is the same. Looks like the auto text reply, and it explains everything. But just having that video there makes a difference. And right here, he's made a change. Instant $20 payments. He shows you that, how easy it is just to sign up. And then right here, you collect 20 bucks. 100% commission, and you get paid through Stripe, okay? And the bonus, you get 100 text credits. It's 20 bucks, guys, and this little system allows you also, if you upgrade, to send 200 text messages a day to promote any business that you have. Whatever you have that you're promoting online, you can use this SMS Phone Leads to promote it. So you get 100 text credits with it. But it takes 200 credits to send one message, okay? 200 credits to send one message. You can send one message per day. And I'm going to show you how much the credits are as well. Okay, it comes with a bridge page. If you choose to use that, you can. You don't have to, but it's there. Okay, and a frequently asked questions section, which most of you call and you ask questions. But if you just go here first, you will probably get the answer. And if you don't see the answer there, then feel free to give me a call, okay? But I love this little system, and I actually have upgraded personally. You can upgrade in here as well. But to get started, you can pay 20 bucks, guys, and then spend $33 to get the blaster, okay? So that you can send 200 text messages a day. And you don't have to upload leads. That's what I like about it. And you can do this from your smartphone, okay? Yes, you can log on from your computer and send your message, but you can log on from your smartphone and do it as well because it is mobile optimized, okay? So that's really great that you can market on the go, just sending your messages out. Now, I'm going to show you real quick the page that I use, okay, to promote SMS Phone Leads. But before I do, I want to give you my link so that you can go in and grab this little system, mobilemoney.ws right here. I'm using the Vertex Lead System, okay, that leads them into my Easy One-Up business. And you make anywhere from 20 to 1,000. The 20 is for the SMS system. And then as you know, with Easy One-Up, that is the my upfront high ticket program. You make anywhere from $25 up to $1,000. Well, actually $2,000 now because they have a new level. Let me change it. Instant payment straight to your PayPal or however you want to receive your money. But you can go grab this SMS Phone Lead system here, guys, at mobilemoney.ws. And if you're interested in Easy One Up, you'll also see a video for that as well when you go to this website. So basically, this site is promoting my E1U business and the SMS phone leads at the same time. So again, you can get the phone leads blaster for $33 a month. You get the SMS system for $20. So you would spend $20 plus your $33 today. And then I'm going to show you how much the credits are. So let me flip back over to that real quick. All right, hold on one second. This is my page I'm using in the Vertex Lead System right here. I sent a message via SMS Phone Leads. They put the information in and it takes them to my Vertex system that shows them an Easy One Up video, and it links them to my SMS Phone Leads page. Okay, but let me show you the credits here. In your back office to buy your credits, guys, here are the packages. Okay, $12 gets you 800 credits. $36 gets you 3,000 credits. $60 gets you 6,000. Okay, the best package, okay, is the $60 because that's 6,000 credits. Okay, and it takes 200 credits to send one message. So if you divide 200 into 6,000, that's 30. So that gives you 30 days of text messaging. Okay, that you could literally log in and send one message a day for 30 days. To me, that's the best deal. Okay, because if you go with the 36, that's only going to give you what, maybe 2 weeks, 15 days, something like that. So if you go with the $60, you get more out of it. So I would say, you know, come in, spend $20 for the system, $33 to upgrade, and get this package. Or worst case, if you are getting paid every 2 weeks, pay $36 today, and in 2 weeks you'll have to, you know, pay another $36 so that you can send more text messages. Okay, but you can start immediately coming into this program, getting the SMS Phone Leads system. This is well worth it, especially if you're like me and you have bigger ticket. Your main program is paying you a higher commission, because just think, that's very cheap. Okay, marketing for me to be able to send a text message and be able to make, you know, up to $2,000 in a day. That's very well worth, okay, using this platform to do that. Whatever business you have, you can use this system to do that, to promote your business. Okay, so again, this is how mine works. So I'm going to show you my page. Okay, I use this page and it takes you to my VLS system. Hold on a second. When they opt in, they go to this page, guys. This is the page that they get, okay, when they opt in. This page right here is my SMS page, but I'm going to show you something. Okay, right here, this page brands me. Okay, right here, they can set up a callback request. They can join E1U right here. Here's my information. They see me, a real person, in this video.
If you're watching this video,
you see that? That is the Easy One Up video. So they're getting 2 in 1. So you have to think about that. They get a text and they go to this page. It resonates with them because it's like, you get paid to text, and they just received a text. Then when they opt in, they get this page. Okay? Talking to them about making money. And then they click here. Okay, it's tied into the VLS page, and it takes them to my SMS Phone Leads page. Okay, see? Takes them right here. This is my page. That makes sense, and they can go ahead and sign up right here for that. Okay? Or they're going to either contact me for more information, or they're going to click this button. It's going to take them to the Easy One Up to sign up to join Easy One Up. So I basically marketed them with a $20 funnel, okay, to be able to go over here and market Easy One Up, which pays anywhere from $25 to $2,000. Okay, that is basically a great dynamic. Okay, when you look at it, you're promoting your primary business by sending out one text message a day. Okay, I mean, you're talking 1 cent pretty much. Okay, a penny a day, okay, you know, with this texting to be able to make some big commissions, guys. That's what you have to look at, okay? And this $20 funnel can get you more sales and signups in your primary business, okay? So, now, let me remind you, is actually promoting Easy One Up. So if you're not in Easy One Up, you wouldn't be able to, you know, utilize it to the full potential, because it's going to send people to that page. And if you're not an Easy One Up, let's say you join me and you buy Vertex Lead, which is $97 one time. If you want the Vertex Lead System, it's $97. I'll put the link below. But you need to get an Easy One Up, because this is going to promote, this video is going to promote Easy One Up right here. So if someone signs up, I get the commission. It passes up because you wouldn't be an Easy One Up. But if they join right here, the $20, and you're just promoting that, you'll get that. But you're going to miss out on the big commission, okay, over here. So, you don't want to get Vertex Lead unless you plan on joining Easy One Up. But it makes sense to join it, because you're promoting basically two things in one. You're promoting the texting and you're promoting Easy One Up. So it's just a win-win, no-brainer, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below for the SMS Phone Lead System, but I want to just come and do a quick update to show you guys this thing has been updated. It's 2.0 now, and you got a video here, and you definitely want to get it. Doesn't matter what you're promoting online, you can use SMS Phone Leads to promote your business, okay? So just want to show you that, guys. So I'm going to put the link below for SMS Phone Leads and Vertex Lead System, okay? And you can join Easy One Up and the Phone Lead System all in one from that one link that I'm going to put below, okay? So go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Go ahead and like the video, and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? And we will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.